Hey there. Ever tried writing a math proof and felt like you're just fumbling in the dark? You're not alone. Proofs are like puzzles, logical, structured, but super hard to get right. And let's be honest, even the smartest AI tools can sometimes help too much or not help at all. But what if there was a tutor that could guide you step by step, catch your mistakes, and keep you learning without just giving away the answer? That's exactly what researchers at UC Berkeley have created with LeanTutor. So how does this AI tutor work? Let's break it down. LeanTutor isn't just a chatbot. It's a system designed to understand how you're thinking when you tackle a proof. It uses a programming language called Lean, which is like a super precise way to write math. But here's the cool part. It talks to you in normal language, not code. You write your proof in plain English, and LeanTutor checks it, guides you, and even helps you fix errors, without just handing you the solution. Let's dive into the tech. LeanTutor has three main components. First, an autoformalizer that translates your natural language proof into Lean. Think of it like a translator that turns your messy thoughts into a structured, error-free math statement. Then, a next step generator that suggests the next logical move in your proof, like a chess coach pointing out your next move. Finally, a feedback generator that gives you hints in plain English, nudging you toward the right path without giving it away. But here's the real magic. LeanTutor doesn't just check if your proof is right or wrong. It identifies where you went off track and explains why. For example, if you skip a critical step or misapply a theorem, it'll flag that and help you fix it. This is huge because traditional AI tools often either give away answers or fail to spot errors. To test this, the team created a dataset called PeanoBench, filled with 371 math proofs. They found that LeanTutor correctly translated 57% of the proofs and spotted errors in 30% of incorrect ones, outperforming simpler systems. The feedback it gives is also more relevant and accurate, helping students learn from their mistakes rather than just memorize solutions. But LeanTutor is just one piece of a bigger puzzle. Let's talk about the broader landscape of proof tutoring systems. There are three main types: intelligent tutoring systems, LLM-based tutors, and theorem prover-based systems. Each has its strengths. Systems like Lean or Isabelle are super precise. They'll flag a single missing step in a proof. But they can be hard to use, like learning a new language. Then there's the big names like GPT-4, which can chat and explain concepts but might accidentally make things up. Enter LeanTutor, a smart hybrid. It uses AI to have conversations with students, but when it comes to the math, it leans on theorem provers to ensure accuracy. Imagine writing a proof in plain English, and the system translates it into formal logic, checking every step along the way. It's like having a tutor who's both friendly and a math wizard. But here's the real game changer: automated theorem proving. Researchers are now training AI to solve problems that once seemed impossible for machines. Think of it like teaching a robot to solve a Rubik's Cube, except the cube is a complex math competition problem. Papers like more details, please show that giving models more detailed steps dramatically improves their accuracy. And tools like Formalalign are creating metrics to measure how well AI understands the original intent of a proof. Why does this matter? Picture this: an AI that can verify research papers in real time, catch errors in code, or help students learn by breaking down proofs into bite-sized, step-by-step guidance. These tools aren't just about automation, they're about making math more transparent and accessible. Imagine a student who's struggling with induction not getting stuck on syntax, but instead focusing on the logic behind the proof. So the next time you're stuck on a proof, remember, you're not just solving a problem. You're training your brain to think like a mathematician. And with tools like LeanTutor, the journey just got a whole lot smarter. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI and education, hit subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay curious.